Assalamualaikum to Sir SAIFUL BAHARI bin SHAARI, the lecturer of the MEC 522 Control Engineering. My name is NAJWA ZAQIRAH binti TAUFIK from class EM D6M5B2. Today, I want to briefly explain about the assignment for the Control Engineering Lab about the development of the 4-junction traffic light system using a timer approach. The objective of the assignment for the lab is to design a prototype for 4-junction traffic light system using a timer approach by doing the code and simulation in the TICKERCAD software. The components used to design the prototype of the 4-junction traffic light are Arduino Uno R3, breadboard, 4 green LED, 4 yellow LEDs, 4 red LEDs, and 12 pieces of the 220 ohm resistor. The connection of the LEDs and the resistor on the breadboard will connect to the Arduino Uno R3 from pin 2 to pin 13. There are 4 junctions for each set of the traffic light prototype. Junction 1, Junction 2, Junction 3, and the last one, Junction 4. I'm using the block codes to create a simulation to my traffic light prototype. As we can see from this block code, the first setup for the system, I set the timer for all the pins from pin 2 to pin 13 for about 5 seconds long. I started the loop with the connection of the LEDs and resistor from pin 5 to pin 7, which is the junction 1. And it will repeat the loop with the connection of the LEDs and resistor from pin 2 to pin 4, which I label as the junction 2. And the connection on pin 8 to pin 10, which I label as a junction 3. And the last junction, which is the junction 4, the connection from pin 11 to pin 13. Okay, let's see how the prototype works and simulates. At the junction 1, the green light up for 5 seconds long and change to the yellow and followed by red for 2 seconds, and then continue to look at the junction 2, the green light up for 5 seconds, yellow 2 seconds, and then red 2 seconds, and then continue the loop to junction 3, green light 5 seconds, yellow light 2 seconds, and then red light 2 seconds, and then continue to look at the junction 4, green light 5 seconds, yellow 2 seconds, and the last one's red light 2 seconds. The loop will be in a continuous state for this system. As for the timer of the system, the connection of the green LED have a delay for 5 seconds, while the connection of the yellow and the red LEDs will have a delay for 2 seconds. That's all from me.
Thank you for hearing my brief explanation. Bye.